Valiant Machine Tool is a provider of equipment and machinery, and that equipment and machinery is used to assemble vehicles, assemble engines, assemble transmissions, and a variety of other automotive components. Our ability to go and hear the voice of the client, interpret that, and then create a solution in concept, and then a solution in reality is something that definitely differentiates us in the marketplace.
Using digital prototyping along with Vault, we're able to save lots of time on projects. Something that would have took months, we could bring it down to weeks because we're able to take something that was done previously, bring that in, and then just modify where we need to on the part touch and details. From there, we could go into final design and then to releasing. With finite element analysis, we're able to say, okay, we're going to put a force, and then we could see the break point and then be able to tell that, okay, with 5,000 pounds of force, this is not going to hold up. The customer seeing these 3D visuals can really understand what they're going to be getting when the product is shipped to their floor, so it really opens their eyes and they can understand with the 3D Spec software. The great thing about Autodesk Navisworks is we get a 3D plant layout from our customer, and we're able to implement our machine in their 3D layout and be able to check where it's going to be going, so there's no surprises when we actually install the machines in the field. Inventor's tight integration with AutoCAD allows us to create these DWG formats very easily, and we're able to get those documents out to our customer as they require.
Vault gives us the ability to standardize our products into components and modules. We take those components and modules and we reapply them on each unique application in order to create a custom solution for each client. Products like Vault, the unitization, the modularity that comes with that, gives us the ability to take our product to market quicker than our competition.
So the whole thing that Vault has about being able to see where the object's being used is very helpful, so you're not worried about erasing someone else's work.
With the advent of components and modules inside the Vault and pairing everything in Vault with price, we're now able to take a normal sales cycle of 3 to 4 weeks and reduce it down to as little as 30 minutes on a global basis.
I'm excited about Vault Pro because it's going to allow us to work hand in hand with our other divisions. We have a division in Austria and a division in India. Now we'll be able to work on the same files through the network of Vault Pro. They could work on something we've been working on, do what they need to do if it's detailing in India or if it's some 3D model, and we're able to open up the same files on the same network, and it's really going to help Valiant grow globally. Valiant services many different customers in many different industries using Autodesk Product Design Suite, and this allows all our designers to be working on the same platform. Why Autodesk is so great is that they have so many different applications that you can use it for. You're able to design in 3D, then you're able to also check it with FEA analysis in the same software, and then you're able to make 2D documentation, and then you could easily save that in DWG format, which is our customer requirements. And it's all in the same software. Whenever Autodesk comes out with a new version, for example, there are a lot of new features, and that's another thing that Autodesk is great with, is every version there's something new, and you could tell that they took it from real users' inputs.
We really do believe that the Autodesk products like Vault are essential contributors, key partners, if you will, in order for us to continue going forward globally with sales, product innovation, and client focus.